Welcome back. It's now time for sports.
Assistant coach for the West Indies, Ryan Griffiths, says that the bowlers gave a good account of themselves given the environment, despite a dominant opening partnership from Devon Conway and Tom Latham, as New Zealand have the ascendancy at the end of day one of their third test against the Caribbean men at Mount Maunganui. They put up 323 runs for the opening wicket, which is the second highest opening partnership for the Kiwis in Test cricket history, bettered only by Glenn Turner and Terry Jarvis's stand of 387 against their same opponents in Georgetown in 1972.
Well, you may say we didn't make the best use of it. I thought the bowlers came in, Jaden and Kimar thought they bowled well. They had New Zealand, but not really scoring. But I thought the two batters leaves well, and they played the situation in a good fashion.
Conway batted through the day for his unbeaten 178, while Captain Latham made 137 as New Zealand closed on 334 at the Bay Oval. The partnership, which spanned 86.4 overs, is the joint 12th highest opening stand in men's Test cricket and only the 8th stand of 300 for any wicket for New Zealand. Jacob Duffy will resume with Conway at the crease. Veteran bowler Kemar Roach has so far taken the only wicket for the Windies. New Zealand lead the Test series 1-0. Vital Laws is the only Jamaican named in the West Indies 15-member squad for the 2026 ICC Men's Under-19 Cricket World Cup set for Zimbabwe and Namibia between January 15 to February 6. The 18-year-old spinner recently starred in the 7-match Youth ODI series against England, claiming 14 wickets in the 6 matches he contested. Joshua Dorn has been named as captain with Jonathan Van Lang as his deputy. Dorn and Joel Andrew will be making their second appearance at the Youth World Cup. Earlier this year, Joel Andrew became the youngest player to represent the senior team in T20 internationals and also holds that record for ODIs, which he claimed last October. The squad is completed by Shamar Apple, Shaquan Bell, Zachary Carter, Tanez Francis, Rajai Gittins, Micah McKenzie, Matthew Miller, Israel Morton, Chakeem Pollard, Adian Ratcha, and Kunal Tilakani. West Indies have been drawn in Group D alongside South Africa, Afghanistan, and Tanzania. All group matches will be played at the High Performance Oval in Windhoek, Namibia. Ahead of the tournament, they will play warm-up matches against Ireland and Japan in the same city. And finally, St. Elizabeth Technical and Glenmuir High will square off in the final of the DaCosta Cup competition after securing semi-final wins over Kempshill High and Dintle Technical respectively in a doubleheader at Sabina Park on Wednesday afternoon. Glenmuir secured their second final appearance in 3 years after a come-from-behind 2-1 win over Dintle Technical. Omani Morrison put Dintle in front in the 47th minute, but Captain Rain Watson pulled Glenmuir level from the penalty spot in minute 63. Watson then returned for his second and the winner in second half stoppage time. Five-time champions Stets clipped Kempshill 1-0 in the second semi-final. Kemoy Bantard scored the all-important goal in minute 48. The final will be played on Saturday. I am Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamila Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.